What's up everyone? It's Eric from Dark Matter X, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of the DM-1 shifter, which I have right over here. Now before we open it up, I want to tell you a little bit about the package and what makes it so special. Now you know that we do the manufacturing of the shifter here in America. Well, this box was also made and designed here in America. Even the raw materials came from a local mill here in Oregon. Now, one of the requirements that I gave the box company when they designed the package custom for the DM-1 was that it had to be really strong, it had to separate all the parts, and the customer had to get the product without any damage to the shifter or the parts in the box. This package is just tough. So if you are one of those unfortunate people that have Ace Ventura as your person delivering your packages, when he's kicking this thing all the way up to your front doorstep, you're gonna know that your shifter is safe inside of the box because we took the time to make sure the package was just strong and amazing. And at the end of the video, we're gonna be doing a special test on the shifter in the box just to show you how strong this package really is. So let's open it up and check out the shifter. If we open the box up here on the front, we get a little bit of swag. We get a couple stickers, one for the car, one for the toolbox. You get a Dark Matter X keychain, and then you'll get this little card here that's got a QR code on it. And if you scan that with your smartphone, it'll bring you to our link tree where you can find our install guide. We have a PDF install guide, and we also have a YouTube video install guide of myself installing the shifter on a 2018 STI. So be sure to check one of those out if you want some help installing. And if we move on to the main compartment of the box, we can see what you've all been waiting for, the DM-1 shifter right there. This thing looks amazing. It's powder coated, it's anodized, it just looks great. We could pull it out. It's got a nice little cutout there. It is just really tight in there, so there we go. This thing is just great looking. You'll be very excited when you get this thing and see it in person. We have the bracket here in its own little cutout. This is the rear mounting bracket, and it's got some nice little white line bushings in it. It's powder coated. It looks fantastic. And then above that bracket, in the top right corner of the box, we have the driver's side mounting bracket. Okay, now this is a little billet aluminum bracket. It's going to connect to the shifter. You'll see in the instructions, it goes on the driver's side right here. You'll use some of the hardware to mount it there. And then moving on, we have the passenger side mounting bracket, which sits right below the shifter in the box. Now again, we just have this little billet aluminum bracket that mounts right to the front of the shifter there on the passenger side of the vehicle. Now if we pull out the cutout that was holding the DM-1 shifter and all the brackets, just like that, set that off to the side, we have another compartment, and below that, that's where your hardware and your reverse lockout is going to be underneath of the shifter and the brackets. So we can pull our hardware out. We have hardware bag 1 and we have hardware bag 2. Hardware bag 1 comes with all the shifters and it has the same hardware in it. Hardware bag 2 will change depending on which shifter you have and which mounting brackets you have. If you have an older model WRX or STI, you'll need to order the 08 Plus shift arm if you don't already have an 08 Plus STI transmission in that vehicle. Okay, so if you order it from us, we buy these directly from Subaru. They come with a brand new U-joint at the front of the arm here, and that actually has two OEM bushings inside of it. You would need to either purchase other bushings for the front or reuse your old ones at the front here. But if you buy it from us, we stick it in the box and you get everything you need. And we also throw in this OEM bolt that connects the actual shift arm at the top here to the front of the DM-1 here. So you'll get the shift arm and the bolt if you need that stuff and you order it from us. And that is it. There's just some paper in the box to secure everything in there. Just to touch on it one more time, you can see just how amazing this box is and the quality and the craftsmanship of this locally made box. Huge shout out to Columbia Corrugated Box. They're the ones who put this together for me, designed it, and took my requirements of having a super strong box and implemented it into that for the shifter. Now I've been itching just to see how strong this box is, and I want to show you all a special test we're going to do with the shifter in the box, just to prove to you how confident we are in the strength of this thing. So let's do it. All right, everyone, we're out here ready to do some testing at the Dark Matter X testing facility, and we all know what they're doing with your packages in the mail. They're just like standing them on the ground, and they're like jumping on them, playing sports with them. And so when they go to deliver it, they're just like hucking them at your front doorstep. And we made sure this box was going to be extra tough. It could take anything. It's going to ship all the way around the world, and you know it's going to get to you in one piece. Do you have the knife? Okay, so we're going to open it up now to show you how mint the shifter still is. Okay. All right. This box is like a perfect fit inside of the brown shipper box on the outside. So I'm going to open it up. Look at that. Box is still in pretty good condition. Even after I jumped on it, played soccer with it. I'm gonna open it up. Got our swag up there. Okay. And look at that. Shifter is in perfect condition. It's still in its original spot. It just looks awesome still. We have a little bit of kind of paper on it there, but we can just dust that off. These are the brackets. The brackets have their own slots here. That's how we put them in the box. And the box is still in pretty good condition. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.